Welcome to the freehand sketching course. This course mainly for interior designers, fashion designers, animations, graphic designers, medical students. Even if you are working professional, you want to learn the freehand sketching so that you can able to sketch quickly your ideas, concept, thoughts into paper or else the board. For them, this course is the right course. Why freehand sketching? Freehand sketching, it's kind of like expressing your ideas, concept, your perspectives in the outside. Maybe it is in the sketchbook or is the whiteboard, as I said before. But to sketch this, your ideas, concepts, correct, you require the fundamental skills. How to draw lines properly, how to draw the shapes, how to draw the forms, so that you can able to make this, whatever you're thinking, correct, the ideas and all the things in the different perspective angles or in the different layout. When you can able to achieve this, then you can able to 100% you can able to express complete your ideas and concepts into the as a scribble. When you draw, it's not necessarily should be like the beautiful, but this should tell the story. This should be, when you're saying, this should be understandable. Especially if you are interior designers, you need to be good at the perspective, drawing these interiors in the perspectives, correct? This course is right for you to sketch quickly so that you can able to convince your client. This works. Fashion designer, if you want to quickly put your ideas for different costumes, you want to change a little bit here and there so that you can make new varieties, new options, and all the things, then you need the freehand sketching skill. This course is right for you. I'm just giving small example. As a graphic designer, you want to create your own concepts before you're designing, before you start designing. That concept as a scribbles, correct? Then you showcase this concept to your managers, otherwise your marketing team, so that you can able to absorb their inputs and feedbacks before you're putting a lot of efforts on the designing that particular things. Before designing, you can able to get it done, all the ideas and all things. Top of that, you take more effort, improve, then you can go and design. That's how the freehand sketching is very useful for you. Maybe if you're medical students, you want to understand more clearly, otherwise you want to do better portfolios, otherwise for your workbook drawing and all the things, to understand clearly, to get better marks, you need the freehand sketching. You don't need to be an artist, a working professional. Like example, you are the manager level, otherwise you want to become a manager, you want to lead the team, otherwise you are leading some project or something, so you want to express the ideas or concept, maybe new or maybe whatever is there, the same thing you want to improve and show. Then if you have the freehand, the quick sketching skill, then you can able to express clearly. That makes people to follow you. So that's how you can able to boost yourself into any career, especially in the creative field. Every creators, if you can learn this freehand sketching skill, this will boost your communications in your workplace much better, and same time this also will uplift your growth in your areas. It's not only for working people, mainly for students. When you are learning time, if you can able to capture this all the skills, learn it and utilize it on your areas, then definitely your placement, otherwise your work looks more unique compared to other people who's only depend on the tools. Yes, we are not saying you shouldn't use tools. We are saying you learn everything. Top of that, the individual skill called freehand sketching skill, if you have this, make you more unique, and this gives a lot of growth, and this will bring more connectivity. This will help you to connect everybody's into your ideas or your concept. That is the key point. Okay, really, if you want to learn, give it a try. This is the part of your career, this is part of your learning. It's simple, it's easy. We will start in this course how to hold the pencil and how to draw the line. This course start from there, and slowly this will move into the next level, how to draw shapes, how to draw forms, how to draw things in the different eye below level, eye above level, all the areas. Then slowly this will move into perspectives. This long more is the some more subjects are there. Slowly you'll be learning it, and you start sketching it, your all the ideas and concept as a scribbles. It's not rocket science, it's easy. All you require is pure interest and same time. Anyway, it's a recorded course. You can watch it multiple times according to your convenient areas and convenient times. Got it? If you have thought of taking the freehand sketching skill into your hand, this is the course. Don't miss out this. Okay? Get enrolled and start watching course and understand all the things. And same time, once you enroll this course, once you buy this course, when you start watching it, all the videos and all the things, you also can start scribble, you also can start sketch all the things based on the lessons. And same time, you also can post these things in our community. The link is given inside of the course. You can post this work weekly. Once I'll be reviewing all people works, I'll be giving the feedback and all the things. Top of that, you also can able to join that review call. That call will happen in Zoom link or with Google Meet link. That call also you can join. You also can ask your questions. I'm also can able to mentor you much better way. That's how we can able to exchange the freehand sketching skills through this course to you, and same time I'm also can able to mentor you. I'm also can able to guide you to draw better. Okay, if it sounds good, don't delay. Okay, click the link and get enrolled and start watching your course and start posting your works in the communities so that I can able to see how you're performing. I can able to mentor you. Okay, click the link below and start your journey.